It's got the drill, and then it's also got this sort of mass spectrometer on there. So if you think about, it's kind of like when you look at elements in different ways, they have fingerprints when you take their spectrum. And so what it will do is it's going to drill down about 10 centimeters, take some samples, bring that up, and then analyze those. And then the next time it drills down, it will go down 20 centimeters. So it will kind of have these 10 centimeter bands as the drill goes down to about a meter. And so, that's the first time we've really been able to drill that well into the regolith